Now class 12 this year 2025 going to make the all the test papers from total English class 12 very much clear to you, and starting from test paper 2 of total English class 12 this year 2025, and focusing on the towards directed portion first. Question 3.1. Rewrite the following sentences. It is brilliant of Ajay to solve all the equations in one go. Exclamatory call. It is brilliant of Ajay to solve the equations in one go. Exclamatory sentence বলেছিলাম না ট্রান্সফরমেশনে হাউ বা হোয়াট দিয়ে শুরু হয়, মিনিংফুল পার্ট লাস্টে হয়। ও বা ইফ বা উড দ্যাট থাকলে আই উইশ, হুডরে থাকলে ইট ইস আ জয় দ্যাট, অ্যালাস থাকলে ইট ইস স্যাড দ্যাট। তাহলে how brilliant of Ajay to solve all the equations in one go. Exclamatory mark. My life is full of hardships, said the farmer. Indirect speech. The farmer expressed in grief that his life was full of hardships. বলেছি না ডাইরেক্ট থেকে ইনডাইরেক্ট, যাতে ইনভার্টেড কমার ভেতরে প্রেজেন্ট থাকলে পাস, পাস থাকলে পাস পারফেক্ট, আর ইনভার্টেড কমার বাইরে সেট টু থাকলে টোল দ্যাট, আর শুধু সেট থাকলে সেট দ্যাট। The scene of the train accident was so horrifying that it could not be seen. That the scene of the train accident was too horrifying to be seen. Jyoti disagreed, but all the other members agreed for a change in rules. তাহলে except for দিয়ে শুরু হতো যে except for Jyoti, all the other members agreed for a change in rules. As soon as she opened the gate, রুলসটাকে রুলার মনে হচ্ছে। As soon as she opened the gate, her dog ran into the street. There are no sooner opened আছে past tense, there are no sooner did she open, আবার opened কেন? Helping verb past tense হবে, main verb present tense. No sooner did she open the gate, কমা কেন? কমার জায়গাটাতেই তো দেন হচ্ছে। Then her dog ran out into the street আছে, তুই শুধু স্ট্রিট করে দিয়েছিস। ইনকারেক্ট আন্ডারলাইন ওয়ার্ডস গুলোকে গ্রামাটিক্যাল। The judge went into the case, খুঁটিয়ে দেখা। I went through my answers to revise them, মানে না go through the chapter. The thief could not get away with the necklace, মানে পালিয়ে যাওয়া। He will soon get over the difficulties এড়িয়ে যাবে। The whole family turned against him. His loan application was turned down, মানে রিজেক্ট করা। Keep up trying, keep on, work hard to keep up with the rest of the class, ঠিক আছে। Once the applause died out, he resumed playing the piano. আচ্ছা, many people in the country died off. Answer, ঠিক আছে। টেন্স করতে হলে দেখতে হবে what tense the entire paragraph is given in. If the entire paragraph is in present tense, you have to put all the verbs in present tense. If the entire paragraph is in past tense, you have to put all the verbs in past tense. But there may be a mixture of tenses. In that case, you have to make it out. Billy, a loving and loyal dog, has become an internet star in 2020. In the past tense, they became hobby. His owner, Russell, broke his ankle and used crutches to work. Billy, a loving and loyal dog, became an internet star in 2020. His owner, Russell, had broken his ankle and used crutches to walk. Soon the dog also began to hobble when walking with his owner. Concerned, Russell took Billy to the vet, who said there was nothing wrong with him. He was running freely when he was by himself. It turned out that the dog faked a limb when he walked with his. This is what you call to try to rule. This is what you call trying to truly identify with someone's pain. Trying to.